dito wag na king. Gonna give you another king. King Kong. What's the other king eh? It's holding two kings. The king of flower and the king of space, right? Now, let's put it to king. Now, you got just have another card. Sure? Yeah. Show it now.
Here.
Put it back.
No coaching.
So you shuffle the cards. Remember the cards?
Yeah.
How many cards are in a deck? 50.
Yeah. Sure.
52. 52. I'm holding 50 cards, right? Now, so I'm going to take the seat, moving. So I'm holding 52 cards. I'm holding 52 cards, right? No, this is what I'm going to do. It's not your card, right? It's not your card. See the king? I want you to hold the card. Don't be shaking. Watch. You know what's happening? You're gonna stop. Okay, get the card.
Levitation naman. Levitation.
Kaya ba?
Another PSP, gonna fly.
Wala eh. Wala natin sa kanila.
Meron ka na.
Pwede ba gamit yan sa first birthday?